Hi everyone, we are Group 3. There are many old and mysterious rainforests in the world. So today we are going to introduce the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing several million species of the insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life. Um, until now, many still unrecorded by science. Okay, now let's my friends Abid to introduce the Amazon rainforest in general.
Next, let's talk about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, also known in English as Amazonia, is the most broad-leaf tropical rainforest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of the South America. This basin encompasses 7 million kilometers square, of which 5,500,000 kilometers square are covered by the rainforest. The majority of the rainforest is contained within Brazil with 16% of the rainforest, followed by Peru 13%, Colombia with 10%, and with other amount in Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, and others. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforest and comprises the largest and the most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest, with an estimated 319 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. More than 30 million people of 350 different ethnic groups live in the Amazon rainforest. Next, let's my friend Zekai to talk about the players in this ecosystem.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to tell you more about the animals which are living in this Amazon rainforest. The first one will be capybara. The capybaras belong to the rodent family and resemble guinea pigs. Capybaras are quite big in size. In fact, they are the largest rodents in the world. The next one will be spider monkey. These highly intelligent creatures are considered the most intelligent of the New World monkeys. They are often unseen by people because they live in the upper layers of the forest. The third one will be mata. This is a strange looking turtle known for its odd-shaped head and long neck. An interesting feature of these Amazon animals is the horn on its head. The next one will be Amazon river dolphin. The Amazon river dolphin is also known as boto, which means it's pale pink in color, and this dolphin is gorgeous looking. The next one will be giant anthiater. This species of anthiater is bigger than the other and can grow up to around 7 feet. Yeah. The next one will be the kinkajou. It is also known as the honey bear, bear monkey, or lion monkey. This creature is rarely seen by human beings. It usually sleeps during day. Then the number 7 one, the golden lion tamarin. The golden lion tamarin is a species of monkey found in the Amazon rainforest. It derives its name due to its distinct appearance. This monkey has a mane of gold hairs around its face. These monkeys live on trees and use the tree hole to sleep at night. The next one will be the jaguar. The jaguar is the most famous of the cat family found in Amazon. It is the third biggest in its family after lions and tiger. The jaguars are incredible species and have quite some amazing qualities. The spots on the jaguar are rose shade, which makes it easy to identify from other members of the feline species. The next one is macaws. The macaws is a majestic species of a parrot and also then are known for their colorful plumage. These birds are native to South America and can be seen flying across the Amazonian jungle. The last one will be the king vulture. The king vultures are seen in both Central and South American regions and are known for their beautiful appearance. The king, as per the name, is adapted from an ancient Mayan tale. According to the story, these vultures used to be the messengers between God and living being. So I will leave the rest for Syafiqah to explain more about the relationship between these animals. Thank you.
Okay, hi everyone. So I will be explaining the relationships between the players. The relationships I'm going to talk about are the complex symbiotic relationships. So symbiosis is a close relationship between two species in which at least one species benefits. For the other species, the relationship may be positive, negative, or neutral. There are four basic types of symbiosis: commensalism, mutualism, parasitism, and prey-predator relationship. But relationship that our players have only consists of commensalism, mutualism, and prey-predator relationship. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species benefits while the other species is not affected. Our first player, that is capybara, have symbiotic relationship with some bird species. The birds may sit on them or fly near them to eat insects which jump out of the way when the capybara moves along, and they also have been seen eating ticks of the capybara. Other than commensalism, we have mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship in which both species benefit. For example, our second player, that is spider monkeys, are the species which help the kaput tree through a mutually beneficial relationship. Spider monkeys will eat the fruits of the tree, then it will help by decomposing within the soil, allowing for more trees to grow. Kaput tree are likely depends on spider monkey for their survival. So, and another one is our third player, the Amazon river dolphin. They have bacteria in their guts that help them digest their food, like all the mammals do. This is a mutualistic relationship. Our fifth player, that is giant anteater, they have a mutually beneficial symbiotic relationship with algae. They're providing a habitat for algae, while the green color of it added to their fur that helps to camouflage the giant anteater. Other than commensalism and mutualism, we have the predator-prey relationship that consists of the interaction between two species. The prey species is the animal being fed on, and the predator is the animal being fed. For example, our third player, that is mata-mata. The South American mata-mata turtle may not appear dangerous at first, but any fish will tell you otherwise. These reptiles have a tremendously fast way of catching prey, and they do it with extreme efficiency. The key to a mata-mata turtle's hunting skill is in its camouflage. Next, let my friend Noor, Syafiqah binti Zaini introduce their importance in ecosystem. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, this is my turn to share about the importance of players in Amazon rainforest. Each player has their own role to serve the Amazon rainforest. If one of its players die or extinct, it will affect the forest ecosystem. So, let we see the example of the players in Amazon rainforest and their importance. The first one is capybaras. Capybaras is an important source of food for predator. For example, anacondas and jaguar at Amazon rainforest love to eat plum and juicy capybaras for their dinner. The second one is spider monkey. They play as an essential part in Amazon rainforest. They play a key role in seed dispersal, allowing their forest environment to continue to grow and thrive. The third one is giant anteater. Giant anteaters are important to their environment because they control the amount of ants and termites, thus protecting trees and making sure that too many termites do not destroy a forest. Next is jaguar. Jaguar are the top predator in their environment. They play an important role in controlling the population of other species. This helps keep a balance in the food chain and a healthy environment. The last one is king vulture. The king vulture primarily eat carrion found in the forest. Once it has found a carcass, the king vulture displays the other vultures because of its large size and strong bill. Because of their unappetizing eating habit, they fill an ecological niche and may help to prevent the spread of disease by disposing of rotting remains. So that is the example of players in Amazon rainforest, and each of them play a very important role to the ecosystem. Okay, let me give one situation. If there are no jaguar or the jaguar is extinct in that forest, the population of other species will keep increasing, right? Because the top predator in that environment is gone. So it will cause no balance in the food chain, and the environment will not be as healthy as when there are jaguar in the forest. Therefore, jaguar play a very important role in the Amazon rainforest. So I think that's it from me. Okay, next, let my friend Wardina Syafiah to share about her opinion on the importance of this ecosystem to the biosphere and why we should protect and conserve the ecosystem.
Okay, from my opinion, first we should know that ecosystem is interdependent. The interaction in Amazon rainforest ecosystem cause energy exchange and a cycle of limit emerge. So first, the ecosystem in Amazon helps to maintain the usual flow of energy. So all organisms in Amazon, dead or alive, they have plenty of energy that will be transferred throughout the food chain. So the energy will be converted into useful work, which always use the energy as heat. It also includes the nutrient cycle, such as nitrogen cycle, water cycle, or oxygen cycle that helps to regulate the flow of substance as the nutrient cycle pass through the sphere. Next, this ecosystem is really important to promote the food chain and food web. For example, an algae is eaten by a fish, which is eaten by a mata-mata, the carnivorous turtle, and mata-mata will be eaten by a large snake. So that was the example of food chain in Amazon, while food web is like a connection of various food chain with any kind of species. Amazon rainforest is also provide habitat for all wild plants and animals because it contains several million species of insects, birds, plants, and other forms of life, but many still undiscovered by science. So that's why Amazon was called the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir. So just now was the importance of ecosystem in Amazon. Now we move to why we should protect and conserve ecosystem. So as a citizen of the earth, we should together protect this ecosystem to live a sustainable life and healthy environment. So to stay vital, an ecosystem needs to maintain a delicate balance. Damage and imbalance will cause many problems. For example, the pollution. Pollution will threaten and kill organisms that are central of the ecosystem, causing the ecosystem to imbalance. So as we know, the Amazon rainforest is also known as tropical rainforest because it contains most species of plants and animals on Earth, which is many still have not yet been discovered. So the search of new species will lead us to the discoveries of new medicine and help us to understand more about our planet that we call home. So this discovery could hold a key for us to solve many global human issues. More importantly, the closer we get to measuring global biodiversity, the better we know our impact on it and the best way to solve them. So to conclude, we should together protect these incredible rainforests before their secret are lost forever. So that's all for me. I will pass back this to Xiaoqin.